Hello students, I hope you all are doing very well. Today we are going to start a new lesson of English, that is lesson number 2. The name of the lesson is Colors. Colors is a beautiful poem written by Christiana Rossetti. In this poem, poet is telling that everything or objects in the nature has a color. Without these colors, the world will be a dull place or a ugly place. Here a poem about the beautiful colors of nature. So students, first we will read as well as I will explain the part of the poem or the lines of the poem. So students, put your fingers where I'm breathing. Let's read the first 3 lines of the poem. What is pink? A rose is pink by the fountain spring. Now, here my dear students, I think you will noticing the word bring. Now, what is bring? Bring means it is the age or age. Here in this particular line, fountain brings, it means the age of the fountains, all the cornermost part of the fountain. So here she is trying to tell us that in the corner or the edges of the fountain, she can see pink rose blooming beautifully. Of what is she meant in these 3 lines, that the pink flower was blooming beautifully on the edge or the corner of the fountain. Now student, we will come to next 3 lines. What is red? A poppy is red in the barley bed. Now here we say barley. I think most of you know what is barley. Barley is a crop. Now here she is asking a question that what is red, and she is giving the answer that a poppy is red. As you now can look at the picture of the beautiful picture of the poppy's plant, which is red in color. What she is trying to say that the poppy plant is growing among the barley crop. Now students, we will come to next 3 lines. What is blue? The sky is blue where the clouds float through. Here the poet is trying to tell you that sometimes when he look at the sky, especially during the afternoon, in the daytime, when it is sunny, we get the blue color of the sky. Now students, we will come to next lines. What is white? A swan is white, sailing in the light. So the next color she mentioned is white color. Now when you look at the picture, you can see the beautiful swan. And the swan is what color? Can you tell me? Yes, the swan is white in color. What is the swan is doing? In this picture, the swan is sailing in the water. Next lines of this poem. What is yellow? Pears are yellow, rich and ripe and mellow. Now here the poet is giving another example of a yellow color. She is giving the example of pears. Now the fruit pear she described is very rich and mellow. Mellow means that these pears look very juicy and sweet and yummy. Now here the word mellow means sweet sounding. Next line. What is green? The grass is green with small flowers between. Now Here she is mentioned different colors, that is green color. Here what example she is giving? The example of grass. Now we all know grass is green in color. In this poem she is given example that there is a big field of grass, and on those big field of grass what is coming out? Small beautiful flowers are coming out of the ground. So the next lines are: what is violet? Clouds are violet in the summer twilight. Now my dear students, remember the word twilight means the time between the sunset and the dusk, means the time during the evening. So sometimes we see that the clouds are violet in color. So this is what she meant in these lines. Next lines. What is orange? Why an orange? Just an orange. The last color that the poet is mentioning is the orange color, and here she is giving the example of orange fruit. So now students, you will come to know that this is a simple poem. Students, now we will take a small Hindi summary of this poem. In this poem, students, we have read or learned that poet is mentioning the different colors and relating these colors with the different examples. So, in this poem, जो poet है वो बता रही है कि earth is made up of different colors, giving the examples of different objects. So basically, poet जो है poem, colors poem में ये इस बारे में बात कर रही है कि वह फर्स्ट बोलती है कि what is pink? तो वो what is pink? That means pink is the flower, that is the rose flower which was जो कहाँ उग रहा है, वह फाउंटेन के आसपास की जो कॉर्नर वाली साइड है वहां पर क्या है, वह ब्लूम कर रहा है या फिर उग रहा है ब्यूटीफुली. फिर वह बोलती है कि what is red? So a poppy is red. पॉपी एक रेड कलर का फ्लावर होता है और वह कहाँ उग रहा है, वह बार्ली के साथ उग रहा है. बार्ली क्या होती है हमारी, यू ऑल शुड नो कि बार्ली क्या होती है. नेक्स्ट वो बताती है कि हमारा स्काई जो है ब्लू कलर का है और ब्लू कलर के स्काई में क्या फ्लोट हो रहे हैं, बादल फ्लोट हो रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स क्लाउड्स आर फ्लोटिंग इन द स्काई. नेक्स्ट वो बोलती है व्हाट इज वाइट? तो वाइट कौन है? जो स्वान हमें पिक्चर में दिख रहे हैं, सो स्वान इज वाइट और वो क्या कर रहा है, पानी में तैर रहा है. व्हाट इज येलो? पियर्स आर येलो. पियर्स एक तरह का फ्रूट होता है जो आप लोग सब खाते हो. सो वह बता रही है कि जो पियर फ्रूट है वो येलो इन कलर है और एज वेल एज जूसी और टेस्टी है, जो हमें बहुत ही ज्यादा पसंद है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वो बोलती है कि व्हाट इज ग्रीन? सो ग्रीन कलर की स्टूडेंट्स क्या होती है, हमारी ग्रास. तो वह बोलती है कि ग्रीन कलर की हमारी ग्रास होती है और ग्रास में क्या है, स्मॉल स्मॉल छोटे छोटे ब्यूटीफुल से फ्लावर्स ग्रो हो रहे हैं. आप सबको पता है कि सनसेट होता है. सनसेट में जो डार्क पार्ट होता है वह कैसे कलर का होता है, इट इज वायलेट इन कलर. कभी कभी वह हमें वायलेट कलर का दिखता है. सो पोएट बोल रही है कि when what is violet? So the clouds are looking violet in color. नेक्स्ट वह बोलती है कि सबसे आखिरी कलर वो बता रही है, दैट इज ऑरेंज कलर. और वो उसको ऑरेंज कलर को किससे रिलेट कर रही है? हमारे ऑरेंज सबको पसंद है. आई नो दैट इट इज वेरी tasty. So my dear students, I hope you have understand the poem, and this lady is the Christiana Rossetti. And students, if there is any query or doubt, please ask me. Thanks for watching this video, beta.